In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Clockify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you permanently remove a project from your workspace. Deleting is irreversible, so I'll also share a few quick tips to help you double check that you're removing the right project. First, open Clockify and log into your account. If you work in more than one workspace, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed, since projects are tied to a specific workspace. On the left-hand sidebar, click Projects. This will take you to your full list of active and archived projects, along with a search bar to quickly locate what you need. Find the project you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or type its name into the search field to narrow the results. When you see it, click the project name to open it. Take a moment here to confirm it's the exact project you intend to remove. Check the client, any tags, and recent activity so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. Inside the project, look for the Settings area. Depending on your view, you may see a 3 dots menu near the project title or a Settings option on the page. Click that to open the project's management options. This is where you can adjust details like the name, client, color, and access, along with options that affect the project's lifecycle. Within the Settings or Options menu, locate the Delete Project action. It's often placed near the bottom or in a clearly marked section to avoid accidental clicks. When you're ready, click Delete. Clockify will ask you to confirm, usually with a confirmation dialog. Read the prompt carefully, then confirm the action. After you confirm, the project will be permanently removed from your workspace. It will disappear from the projects list, and team members won't be able to track time to it anymore. If you don't see it vanish right away, refresh the projects page to update the view. Before you delete, consider whether you might need the project later for reporting or reference. If you just want to hide it from active use while keeping historical context, archiving can be a better fit. Also, if you manage a team, a quick heads up ensures nobody is surprised when the project disappears. That's it. You logged in, opened projects, found the project, accessed its settings via the 3 dots or the settings option, selected delete project, and confirmed. Follow these steps anytime you need to permanently clean up old or duplicate projects in Clockify.